Hello everybody. Dennis Kaminsky here, New Jersey Groundskeeping again. Last week we started a landscape overhaul up on Brown Road in Bridgewater, and I have the before video, and this is the after video. We've got just about 20 hours put into this place. 5 men, myself in and out, 6 and 5.5, let's just say. But we've got about a good 20 hours in on this property. A lot of moving around, taking stuff from the backyard, bringing it to the front, shifting things around. We put some downspouts in. There were some downspouts work already done. Apparently there was a few dry wells put in, but it didn't look like they were working. We rerouted one set of downspouts. But we've got about 20 hours in here. I'm going to do a little walkthrough, and if you go back to the video probably previous to this one here, you'll see the before, and now it's the after. But here we are coming up the driveway. This is up on Brown Road. When you come off of 206, you turn right. I'll go up the hill on Brown Road. But here's the after shots. We took the rose bushes and these from the back, brought them up front, cleaned up the back. Less is more. Obviously this is clean and neat now. It'll be able to take care of this. This is a little bit wet area. The grading isn't proper. Whoever put in this walkway here should have put it a foot down instead of a foot up. But your grading is all wrong here. Putting soil here is not going to help. I want to tell them our next remedy is to probably just put a French drain in, put a stone run, sink this pipe down lower, make it perforated so that this will drain out wherever it goes. This is one of those, I don't know where it goes, kind of hoses. But we did some sump pump fix over here. That was pumping out and leaking all the water all over here. Trim these shrubs back. This beautiful cut leaf maple here. Look at this. Nice stuff. That's what you want to see. We're going to open this up, see that tree. Clean and neat. Hopefully this walkway will be able to do a reset next year maybe. But night and day, before and after. This here again, the grading was pitched down almost a good 10 inches. We brought it way up, over a foot and a half maybe. Brought it up, changed out the window wells, the steel there, galvanized steel, put some new ones in. The drain pipes were okay here, but they were all above ground. You could see them, they were totally exposed. We were hoping to take this shrub and move these over here, and then just tighten up this curve of the landscape bed over here. Just less is more is what we were trying to do, but butterfly. Gorgeous butterfly. Wow. Nice. How close can I get? So, clean this all up, and then I'm gonna walk around the other way again here, and we'll go around this way. Tree was purple plum, had that algae all over it, fungus growing all over it. It was done. It was a big black hole in the face of the landscape here. Cut leaf maple again. Now, I didn't have a before shot of the backyard, which, I forget these things. And so this was all weeds. Yep. And this was a fence, little white picket fence that went right around here. And it was like their rose garden. A couple of rose beds out here. Transferred all that up to the front. Grass, less is more. So look at all that landscape eliminated. Less maintenance. They had no weeds, no more mulching. Cut the lawn. That's it. Fresh mulch. Oh. So see this I only got half the garden to take care of, and it's cleaned up nice. I'm gonna freshen up the stone here. Keep the grass. This is where we got the shrubs from in the front. We transferred them to the front. There's a couple more here that were all scraggly and dead and dying. They pulled them out. Clean this up. This place was a total mess here. As you can see, we cleaned it up quite a bit. Pruning, all kinds of dead wood in here. That's eliminated. You can see the structure now of the plant, and that makes it look good. But they got their fire pit back, but a little at a time. This was a total mess. That's what happens when you let things go for 5-6 years, and it takes a lot of time to get it back in shape. But New Jersey Groundskeeping, this is what we do. I call myself, these are landscape overhauls. I try and use materials and things that you already have in your property, move them around, cut things short. I mean, if we had more time, we could eliminate all this and just make this all grass and get rid of, now that island's almost a buffer, so that could stay. But New Jersey Groundskeeping, we have 5 guys, 6 myself, and we come in and we tear things up and make it look nice. We sell change is good, and we eliminate landscape so there's less to take care of. A couple visits, two, 3 visits, two visits a year. Come here and do a little tune-up work twice a year. Have us come in. We work by the hour, and it takes a load off your back, and it keeps your house looking nice. Again, New Jersey Groundskeeping. There's the after shots. Thank you. Hello, Adriana. It's done. I put a little bit of the stone down here because I had to take this video. Okay. And keep the grass wet, people. We put grass seed, homeowners put grass seed down on Friday, I think. Friday or Saturday. And they have been keeping it wet. And there's peach fuzz already coming up over here. So it's been 4 days. Keep this grass wet, and in a couple days you'll have it growing. It's the day that you don't water it, it'll dry up and it's done. And then you wonder why it's not growing. Keep this wet. Keep this soaking wet. You gotta water over here, okay? The hose wasn't coming far enough. You gotta get the hose over here. But this is great. Looks awesome. Everybody have a good day. New Jersey Groundskeeping again. Thank you, Adriana.